Local delivery breaks down fast when drivers need package accountability, but should not get full Shopify admin access. Dropscan Local fixes that gap with QR stickers, assignment controls, delivery tracking, and status sync built for self-managed teams. Dropscan Local is a Shopify app for merchants who run local deliveries with their own staff or gig drivers. You sync open fulfillment orders, print QR stickers, assign packages, track delivery actions, and keep the workflow inside a purpose-built delivery operations system. The admin home screen gives a quick view of what is waiting, what is in transit, what is already delivered, and how many packages you have overall. It also keeps common actions like syncing orders and printing stickers close at hand, along with billing usage and delivery analytics. The staff screen is where merchants invite delivery staff, keep track of who is active, and manage leave when someone is unavailable. It also gives direct control over whether an account should stay enabled or be disabled. The print screen is built for selective QR sticker printing. Merchants can sort packages by date arrived or order ID, choose only the fulfillment orders they need, and match the print layout to the sticker stock they use, including layouts like Shopify 2x2, Avery, A4, and other sizes. Auto-assign helps spread deliveries evenly across active staff, but the assign screen also lets a merchant manually move a package when a different person should handle it. That keeps day-to-day dispatch flexible without losing control over who owns each delivery. Bulk reassignment handles the case where one staff member is suddenly unavailable. Instead of moving packages one by one, the merchant can shift all open deliveries to someone else and keep a reason attached to that change for history. The activity screen acts as an audit trail for the workflow. It records actions and intents from merchants, delivery staff, and the system itself, and it adds filters for search terms, dates, intent, actor, and action so specific events are easy to review. The settings screen controls how the workflow behaves. Safe mode can be disabled after initial testing, so live Shopify fulfillment mutations begin, auto-assign for new deliveries can be turned on or off, and the default QR label layout can be set in one place. The help screen brings together documentation, frequently asked questions, and a direct support path so merchants can get answers quickly. If you run local deliveries on Shopify and need more package accountability without giving drivers admin access, install Dropscan Local from the Shopify App Store.